Hello everyone, welcome back to the Web to Tech YouTube channel. Today for this video of Web to Tech, I will be showing you how to log in into the booking.com account of yours. Now to do that, open a Google browser or any other browser that you have been using on PC. Then click open new tab. There on the search bar you type in booking.com and press enter. This will open the official web page of the booking.com. A booking.com is an online platform where hotels and other type of accommodation make their room available to traveling guests from all over the globe. You can book a flight, hotels, and many other services has been provided by booking.com. So for you to sign in into the account, you click on sign in over here on the top right corner of your screen. Click that. Now to sign in, you provide your email address and then click on continue. If you have created your account through Facebook, Google, or phone, or the Apple ID, you can choose this option. This will be just a one-click login process. We're going to go with the email one. Click on continue with email. Then you type in the password for the account and then click on sign in. This will easily get you signed in into the account and book your next stay and flight. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Web to Tech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.